Ever wondered multiplying with 12 can be very easy? Like, how did you multiply with 11 yesterday? How did we do for 11? Add the number to its neighbor. Add the number to its neighbor and write it. Only whenever there is a carry, put a dot. In such a simple manner, if you learn how to multiply with 12, would it be fun? Good morning and welcome to Magical Math Mornings with Ram sir. Today you are going to learn the multiplication of any number with 12 as easily like a simple addition. Join us. Let's start with the example. How did we do for 11? When we have a 3-digit number, you take the number first, then you add the number to its neighbor, then add the number to its neighbor, finally add only the number. That's correct, no? Here, what we do, we'll take the number, but before adding, just we double it. Double the number in turn, and then add the neighbor. Double the number, add the neighbor. Double the number, add the neighbor. Doubling, is it a difficult thing? What is the double of 4? 8. What is the double of 3? 6. What is the double of 7? 14. How do we do the carryover? Exactly same like what we did for 11. Just in case there is any carryover, maximum there will be 1. Just you put a dot. In rare cases, there may be 2. We are going to put 2 dots. We are not going to write the numbers. Hope you all practiced what you have learned yesterday with respect to 11 with your maths buddy and continue the same for 12 also. Let me share the screen and write and explain to you. Okay. Let me explain here. A simple number like 214, you want to multiply by 12. Just how do you write? Double the number. The first digit is 4, you double it, 8. Is there any neighbor on the right side? You remember the concept, no? First comes the number. The one which is there towards its right is called as a neighbor. So double the number is 8. There is no neighbor. So you write 8 as it is. Then for the second one, double this number 2. The double of 1 is 2, correct? For that you add the neighbor. 2 plus 4 is 6. Double the number. When you double 2, you are going to get 4. You add the neighbor. Neighbor is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Remember the method? Better to keep 0 because yesterday many students were doing mistake of avoiding writing the last digit. That's why always whatever the number you get, write 0 before that. Double 0, 0 doubled is 0 plus 2, you will get 2. Check the answer. It is 2568. Very simple. Let me give you one more example. Suppose you want to make 432 into 12. First, what we do? Double this. It is 4. There is no neighbor, so I'll write 4 as it is. Now, what we do? Double the of 3 is 6 plus 2 when you take it is 8. Double the 4, you will get 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Remember what we have to do? Whenever there is a carry of 1, just put a dot. It is the easy method for us to remember. Next, we assume there is a 0. Double of 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. For that you add 1 and write it. While adding, what we will consider, we are not going to add any thing in mind. Just if there is a dot means take the next number. If there is a dot means take the next number. Is it simple? Let's take a little bigger number. Suppose you want to write 53,417 into 12. Have you seen here? Try to write them with little spacing so that it will add to the neatness of your paper when you are doing, and also it will avoid some confusion whenever there are two big numbers we want to write one beside the other. Okay, this is double the 7 is 14, so nothing to add on the right side. Because it is 14, I carry 1. Carrying 1 is written by just by a dot. Double of 1 is 2, plus 7 you are going to add, means we are going to add its neighbor on the right side. 2 plus 7 is 9, because there is one carry out, we'll write 10. 10 means again there is a dot. Double of 4 is 8, plus 1, the neighbor is 9. Because there is a carryover, you take it as 10, write 0 and carry 1. Correct? Then we go to the next number. Double of 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Because there is a carryover, we'll take it as 11, write 1, carry 1. Then double of 5 is 10, plus 3 is the neighbor, 13, and carrying is there 1. So we'll write 14, and then we'll put a dot. Nothing is there means we'll take it as 0, doubled, or else in the last step you can remember, if you can, just you write the last digit by adding the carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. But many people will forget this. That's why I make a methodology of writing 0 beside this. So some of you have not understood. So I will explain a little slower with one more example. Suppose we have a number 63,249 into 12 we want to write. Okay. So what we do? Always remember, number means, suppose if you are doing it, this is number. Neighbor means the number on its right side. Okay, you should remember the concept of multiplying by 11, what we have learned yesterday. In case you have not learned, means just I want you to go through the recording and learn that one, so that it's going to make this easier. And also you have to practice that, so that it will become much easier. So what we do, the rule is double the number in turn and add the neighbor. So first number, let us consider. What is double of this? Is 18. Is there anything to add on the neighbor here? Nothing is there. So we'll write 18. Whenever we have a bigger number, what we do? We write the units digit, and carry over 1 we are not going to write here. You remember our method. Whenever there is a carry over of 1 means just put 1 dot here. This is sufficient for us. Go to the next number in turn. Double of 4. Double means 2 fours are 8, and then you add this. 8 plus 9 is 17. Because there is a carryover, you add 1, you will get 18. Take write 8 and you carry 1. Carry 1 means you will write that dot. Then you go to the next number. Double of 2 is 4, plus 4, the neighbor is 4. So 8 plus 1 is 9. There is no carryover. Here now double of 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Double of 6 is 12, plus 3 is 15, right? And carry 1. There is no number here. So double of 0 is 0, plus 6 is 6, because there is a carryover of 1, we will write 7. This is 7,58,988. I hope everyone understood this. Just type yes in the chat in case you understood the process, so that we will go for racing. Okay, I want you people to race with me now. Everyone understood this method? Yes, yes. Oh, some of you have still not understood. Okay, so the people who have not understood, I recommend you to join sharp at 7, so that we will be in time. Some of you have joined late, so it may be finding difficult, but for your sake, one more example I will give. Okay, let's take the same number, 5,184. I want to multiply by 10, 12. Okay, let's take this. You have to double the number on the right hand side. When you double the 4, what do you get? You will get 8. And when you double the number 8, you get 16. For that you add the neighbor. For the first number, because there was no neighbor here, we didn't add anything. For all the numbers, you will add the neighbor. Neighbor means the number, the digit on the right side. So double the number is 16. 8 to the 16, plus 4 is 20. See here, you got a carryover of 2. So what we do? 0, no? I'll put 2 dots. Then double this number 2, means when you double 1, you will get 2, plus 8 is 10. but there is a carryover of 2. 10 plus 2 you will get 12. Now you carry 1. Now you understood why I asked you to write the numbers with little spacing. Whenever you put two dots, it may lead to confusion. Maximum you will get a carryover is 2. I said yesterday. Correct? So now you double 5, you are going to get 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, and there is a carryover of 1, you will get 12. Get dot, and there is nothing is there means you will take it as 0. Double of 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5, plus 1 carry, it is 6. I hope you understood now. Let's race with me with some 4 or 5 examples. There is nothing to worry. In case you people have still not understood, I want you to go back to the recording, observe once again in little slow time, because I don't want to waste the time of everyone. I'm going little faster. Okay. So please go through that, and I think you people will understand. And you're all very sharp. And these tricks are not that difficult that you will not understand when you hear them for the second time. Okay. Let's race with me. I'll take here. Okay, thank you. Let's race with me. Multiply 324 with 12. Put the answer in the chat. 324 into 12. Good. I already got the answers. 1. Very simple, correct? Yes. The answer is 3888. Just double of 4 is 8. Double of 2 is 4 plus 4, 8. Double of 3 is 6 plus 2, 8. Double of 0 plus 3 is 3. Because I'm explaining and writing, I'm taking more time. Or else, how do you write? 324 into 12 means everything you will be doing it in mind. 8, 8, 8, 3. With this much time, just hardly I took 2 seconds, correct? You people can definitely write the answer. Let's take the second one. 4563 into 12. I will start 2 seconds late, and then I will write the answer. Okay. So, some of you have already given the answer, and it is correct also. Very nice. Very nice. Good. It's very simple, correct? Let's try two more. Okay? Yes, good. I'm very happy that most of you are able to give the correct answer. And today, one thing I noticed, not even one person did mistake. This is what happens when you practice regularly. Okay? Let's take one number, little bigger one. 8 82,579 into 12. Do it quickly. 82,579 into 12. Multiplication is very simple and fun. It's almost becoming like an addition, correct? Yes, 82,579 into 12. Now I'll start. I'm doing little slow just to keep in pace with you, because if you practice, you'll be able to do much faster. Here the trick did the trick, correct? Because there was a carryover of 2, some of you had done the error. Let me explain here. Double of 9 is 18, so 8 I have written carried 1. Double of 7 is 14, plus 9 23, plus 1 is 24. 4 is there means you have to click 2 dots, correct? No, when you are adding you forgot to add, you added only 1. Nothing to worry, okay? Just by practice you will get it. It's just a little bit of a practice. And double of 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17, but there is a carryover of 2 dots, so 19. 1 dot. Double of 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 1 10. 1 is carried. 8 doubled is 16, plus 2 18, plus 1 is 9. And don't write it as doubling of 18. Last one you double the 0, correct? No, double of 0 is 0, plus 8 is 8, plus 1 9. So some of you, what you did in a hurry because you wanted to write fast, you just multiplied 8 by 2, 16 plus 1 17 you have done. Just one before we conclude the class, okay? Let's take little bigger one. 9 8 7 5 4 6 into 12. Quickly do this. This is the last one. Yes, I gave you time. Now I will start. This is little tricky, correct? Because there is a carryover of 2 at 2 places. By practice, you will be able to tell the correct answer. How many of you got the same answer what I have written here? And remember me, if you keep practicing, yes, good. If you keep practicing, you will be able to do much faster than what I have written, because I am giving some time just to give you the time and then writing it slowly. Okay. See, double of 6 is 12. 2 I have written, 1 carried. 4 doubled 8 plus 6, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 carried. 5 to the 10 plus 4, 14 plus 1, 5. 1 carried. 2 7 are 14 plus 5, 19 plus 1, 20. Because there is 20, you have to carry 2 dots. Remember here, 2 dots. And then 16 plus 7, 23 plus 2, 25. There is a carryover of 2. That's why 2 dots. 18 plus 6. Sorry. 18 plus 8, 26 plus 2 is 28. Again 2 dots. And there is nothing means 0. Plus 9 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Correct? This is the answer. So hope you all enjoyed multiplying with 12. Very good. Some of you have told I got the same answer. Excellent. So what we do in the next class, we are going to take it further. You are going to multiply with the single digit numbers also. Okay. So now you learn to multiply any number with 11 fast and also 12 very fast. And now practice this one. These things, if you don't practice, you will forget. Okay. Remember what I said? Maths is not boring. Like what we say in Hindi, maths mein maja hai. Keep enjoying and get that maja. Thank you. See you tomorrow morning, sharp at 7.